hospital premises to cater for the needs of attendants or relative who have to stay in the hospital to tend to the patient. These are the simple what we experience problems. 11 points we have put, and one point, last point what I put, the government instead of trying to set up institutes like AIMS should concentrate in upgrading the existing health facilities like PHC, CHC, district hospital, so that the medical facility standards available to the people in each village, town, stroke district is brought to a commendable high level before allocating funds for new facilities like AIMS.
Excellent.
I put it point number 11. This I have signed and I have handed over. Now this immediately, that's next morning, it goes to the health minister from the speaker side that this member of parliament has raised and you have to take action. So this we will ensure. I will get in touch with the collector through MPLAD fund how earliest we can provide a ambulance.